Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various extensions, and a spark plug socket. You'll also need new spark plugs and a small amount of dielectric grease. It's crucial to perform this task on a cool engine to avoid burns and potential damage to components. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your vehicle's ignition system. Now, let's get to accessing those spark plugs. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Next, you'll need to remove the engine cover and the air intake assembly. This provides clear access to the ignition coils. Carefully unclip each ignition coil connector, then unbolt and gently remove each ignition coil. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any electrical connections or components. With the coils removed, it's time to tackle the spark plugs themselves. Use your spark plug socket and extension to carefully loosen and remove each old plug. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of unusual wear. Before installing the new ones, apply a small amount of dielectric grease inside the new coil boots. Then, hand thread each new spark plug into the cylinder head to prevent cross-threading, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Torque the new spark plugs to your vehicle's manufacturer-specified setting, typically around 10 to 15 foot-pounds. Reinstall the ignition coils, making sure they seat properly and click into place. Reconnect all electrical connectors and reassemble the air intake system and engine cover. Lastly, reconnect your battery and start the engine to confirm smooth operation and no check engine lights. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.